Hello everyone, welcome to the daily analysis for the stocks. Finally, we see a clear signal for bullish here. Yes, definitely we are changing for bullish probabilities here. We took our key level, that's a 10% already. We broke also the 0.618 and the testing zone for wave 4. This wave 4 is invalidated. Yeah, we got the invalidation zone 1 has interfered. We don't have an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 anymore. And that means, of course, this is out of the table there. Yes, we took a confirmation. We are at 10 and 5. So we're basically here at 65. Let's say 10 by 10, 65%. Those both are very essential key level broken directly. Yeah, directly breaking the zone here 10% and taking the invalidation another 10%. We are directly bullish here, but we gotta be careful. We gotta be careful. Don't think that, oh yeah, bullish, it's gonna continue directly toward the upside. We're gonna retrace, guys. We're gonna retrace. This is your wave 3 still. It's not your wave 4 finished there. This wave 4 that you're looking, it's internally 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for wave 3. And that means currently we are in the following 1, 2, and then wave 3. We're looking for wave 4 and a 5 toward the upside. Currently, the wave 4 might be a little bit deep. Be careful. Yeah, it might be deeper because the wave 2 is shallow. So we might get a deep wave 4. So let's test. Let's test first the 0.38 Fibonacci level here, meaning we might see this just like that, and then pushing for higher again for bullish here. Yep. So basically, this is very interesting for Nasdaq. Currently, what does that mean? It means, yeah, we have finished in a wave Y. All right, we finished a wave Y. There, W, X, and a Y. Or you have finished a diagonal but expanding, which is very ugly. The expanding diagonal meaning just like that, like a 1 and then 2, and you're looking for wave 3 and then 4 and a 5. Yeah, but I don't like it at all. Yeah, or if you want to take it maybe better like that, like 1, 2, and then wave 3 here, kind of like a zigzag wave 3 and then 4 and a 5. Yeah, which is like that, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So this is an expanding diagonal. All right. Let's say A, B, and a C then if you want it. So we can mark this if you want. Here we go. A, B, and a C finished. We're going to put this also in magic round. So higher probability, of course, that you have finished. We hit, by the way, I mean, the most important thing here is that we hit our target, the red zone that we were expecting, 0.38 Fibonacci level. And of course, we got another rebound here, taking the invalidation. That means, okay, yeah, we have bottomed. Now, currently, we're looking for a wave 4 and a wave 5 to push towards the upside. Great. So, are we talking about a new all-time high here? Well, yes, definitely can be a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5 here, which is looking also for a new all-time high, guys. Yeah, so that is very, very likely. Before I move to SPX, I just want to check one thing with you guys, which is this daily. So, what's happening on the daily here? We took, of course, our fib level for a 1, 2 there. Okay, so this is what is going on right now. It looks like it's a 1, 2. We didn't reach the 26K 243. That means we're not in a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 as an ending diagonal. It looks like a large 1, 2 extension is happening here toward the upside. Otherwise, if a signal of weakness will appear again as a fake out here, or like this was fake move, that's horrible. And we come back to 26K 243 here. Okay, it might be a diagonal later, but yeah, we're gonna watch this step by step. Currently, we're looking at this a 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5 here in a gray, and we're looking for this extension in a wave 5 to finish all of it in a wave 5. Yeah, so by all means, your impulse is as follow: 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 unfinished. All right, your wave 5 is still extending toward the upside. This is what is going on right now, guys. For SPX also on the daily, I would say like we're looking also for our target hit, so but still unfinished. It looks like it's gonna extend, even take the extension here as a wave 3, 4, and a 5 there. And that means, of course, we are in unfinished wave 5. And obviously that this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Still looking at least for the common target here to take the high 7,726. Let's dive inside it here. On the 1 hour chart as well, we got, of course, yeah, this pump. Oh, why we didn't took the pre-confirmation yet? Um, Okay, but we're gonna follow Nasdaq, of course. We're gonna give it here just at least a 50-50 for SPX. But because we didn't, okay, we're gonna give it higher. Why? Let me explain. Not just like just because of emotion following Nasdaq, but because we didn't took the low. Yeah, this low was not taken. So very likely that this might be an A, B, C, D, and an E. All right. Which give higher probability for the bullish here. So I'm gonna give it a 5% more, okay, against 45. Okay, because the pattern on the macro level still corrective, and also we just saw the daily, so yes, it's still very possible. And because this looks impulsive as well, right? So that means, yeah, we're looking for something as potential pushing for higher, and then continuation for a new all-time high, whether it is a triangle here and then looking for high, or whether it is kind of like several 1-2s or a diagonal. It's hard to say diagonal, guys. Yeah, it's hard to say like 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. The wave 4 is already longer than the wave 2 there. So yeah, that's a problem. That's problematic here somehow. That's why it might range in kind of like triangle, or it can be a W, X, and a wave Y. This is a very ugly one, meaning just like that, like a W and X and a wave Y. We're gonna put this in round here. Finished. Truncation, ugly. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. You continue toward the upside for a wave 1 there. If we dive inside it on the 15-minute chart, of course, we have finished a wave 3 there. So be careful. This is only a 1, 2, and then 3. We're looking for wave 4 and a wave 5. Expect a deep wave 4. Be careful. It's going to be aggressive a little bit. So expect the 0.38 Fibonacci level here to push down like that, and then continuation for a wave 5. All right. Because the wave 2 is shallow here. All right. Yep, so those are my expectations right now for SPX. For Dow Jones, let's see Dow Jones if it has a rebound here. Yeah, okay, Dow Jones is looking still, yeah, a little bit confused here. It didn't broke the fib levels there, or even like to take the 1.618 again. It didn't do confirmation for lower as well, so horrible. I would say we are back to 50-50 here for Dow Jones, and we might range, as I mentioned, like in a much more complex structure, meaning an A or W, an X, and a wave Y here, and then pushing for higher. Okay, so it's a much more complex structure that we are looking at for Dow Jones. Unless the confirmation for lower is going to be taken yet. But yeah, it can be even your wave Y, which is of course like a W, X, and a wave Y, and then start to push for higher again, meaning 1-to-1 Fibonacci level. If we break this, okay, then we go bearish. 51K 177, but it's not broken yet. We might come back here to 55%, but if we break it, we go 65 directly. If we get a signal of strength, then we go bullish again. Yep, so that was it for the US stock indices, the daily analysis. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Welcome to KG Trading Discord community, the place where you get everything you need to stay updated with the market, get important community news, weekly reports, channel updates, all in one place. Be the first to know when a new YouTube video or member-only video is available with instant notifications in our Discord. Receive quick morning market updates before YouTube analysis for Bitcoin, gold, silver, and the US stock indices. You can request a technical analysis for your favorite crypto coins or stocks and join our communities for crypto stocks and metals. Get trading signals, entry levels, targets, and risk management strategies to help you trade with more confidence and more safety. You also get access to our trading view charts, Elliott Wave setup, and special KG trading indicators. You can join us through Patreon or YouTube membership using the links below. I'm looking forward to welcoming you to the KG Trading community.